Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Performance Unlimited. We got one badass engine here. This happens to be our LS 454 hydraulic engine. This thing just got done making over 750 horsepower, 700 foot-pounds of torque at 6,000 RPM. One of the things we are going to test in the next day or so, we're going to yank this intake with a bigger, taller intake, because I believe we're going to be starving some air on this the way it is. And if we put that big intake on, we're going to travel up in the yards and even make more. Hydraulic roller, 750 at 6,000 RPM. The customer behind me, his name is Andrew. He owns this bad boy. Andrew, what'd you think about your motor when you seen it?
I absolutely love the look. I love the Wegner front drive. I loved all the black components. It looks badass.
What made you choose us?
Between all the YouTube videos, Facebook, Instagram, all the comments, and the positive research that I've done, it's sold me right off the bat. That's a fact. You guys build badass motors, and I'm excited to see this go into my Chevelle. And I'm excited for the upcoming, I guess, test run of the new intake.
Yeah.
But right now, I'm very happy. 750 plus horsepower, 700 pounds of torque is a lot.
6,000 RPM. Bam.
So I'm very happy.
Cool. Hey, thanks, man.
Hey,
thanks for joining the family.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Andrew, I got your 1970 Chevy Chevelle engine on a dyno. Has to be our LS 454 cubic inch. We're going to fire it up and give you a run demo. Up on upper RPM, then we'll come down into target RPM. That was at 6,000.